Hello everyone, welcome to Coding Stunts. I am Aishwarya Saxena and in this video I am going to talk about, let's imagine if programming languages were Marvel superheroes. Number 1. Python as Ant-Man. In addition to being one of Marvel's most enduring heroes, Ant-Man is one of the most well-liked characters. So it is no surprise that the popular Python programming language, which appears to instantly capture the hearts of all developers, is an opponent of an Ant-Man. Number 2. Thor as C++. Thor, the god's son, enjoys a longer life expectancy. He has superhuman strength, agility, durability, and immunity to most ailments. C++ is a programming language with a global user base. Despite being very old, it is one of the most effective programming languages. Number 3. JavaScript as Spider-Man. JavaScript enjoys being the center of attention, just like Spider-Man, whose movies and action toys are so popular that it's maybe the most successful Marvel hero. We might claim that JavaScript and Spider-Man are the same things. Number 4. Java as Magneto. Java is an ancient language that emerged from a time of hardship during the Jurassic period of C and C++. Java will always be there if you wish to lift large steel, metal, or suspension bridge. Of course, Java is useless if you want to carry little light objects made of plastic. Number 5. Ruby as irom-man. Iron-Man possesses a more advanced artificial nerve system which enhances his healing ability, keen perception, and ability to melt with his armor. Ruby makes it easier for developers to make modifications to their applications too. Developers know that most projects require significant adjustments, which Ruby makes simple to handle. So I hope you have enjoyed this video and you have liked this combination of programming with Marvel superheroes. Please drop your queries in the comment section below and you can relate more and tell me in the comment section below that what else programming languages we can relate to the Marvel characters. So do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe for more such informative and interesting videos. See you in the next video.